language that is mainly used to make website interactive and dynamic. When we see website, it make up three important components: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let e- explain in detail that what is JavaScript. It runs in the web browser and help create features like button, animation, pop-up message, games, real-life update. It use HTML for structure, CSS for style, and build a full website. When have you ever clicked a button on a website and something popped up or moved? That JavaScript in action. JavaScript is a powerful language that makes websites come alive, while HTML builds the structure and CSS styles. JavaScript adds brain and movement to web page. It runs in your browser and can do many things like animation, real-time chat, from validation pop-up, and your game. So next step, whenever you interact with website, chances are JavaScript will make it happen. जाव अब हम इसे हिंदी में इवेलुएट करेंगे। जावास्क्रिप्ट एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जो वेबसाइट को जिंदा बनाती है। स्टैटिक पेज को इंटरैक्टिव बनाने के लिए जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज होती है। क्लिक करने, मूव करने, पॉपअप मैसेज सब जावास्क्रिप्ट से पॉसिबल है। जावास्क्रिप्ट को हम लोग ब्रेन भी बोलते हैं, लॉजिक। व्हेन वी गिव लॉजिक टू द वेबसाइट देन इट इज कॉल्ड जावास्क्रिप्ट। So if you want to learn JavaScript step by step, hit like, subscribe, and start coding with me. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you all of you. Thank you so much.